Hello, my dear friends. Uh, you must have come across with a situation where you have to create the analysis on the data. Maybe this is examination data or other data. Because I'm going to discuss or share it with you just because of I have the crunch of time and I'm going out of the school for taking practicals, and teachers are coming to my school for taking practicals, and the school administration asks for the analysis of the result of the students, which is declared on 30th, and that is why. And since then, I have been not getting the time to create the analysis. And what usually teachers do, they used to do the telling system to create the analysis, and since I'm the computer teacher, and that is why I was thinking that I should do something different. So here I'm going to discuss or share it with you that I'm going to create the analysis using the Google Sheet. My entire data is on Google Sheet, and from that sheet I'm going to create the analysis. So this is my sheet. So on this sheet I'm going to create the analysis. I'm not going to create the telling system, line, and cross, line, and cross. I'm not going to do this, as I want to do something new. And that is why I'm sharing this with you all, that I have a sheet where I have to put the analysis or create the analysis. And for that, I have the result sheet with me. So this is the sheet tab. Over here, I have the list of the students and their percentile. And using this percentile, I have to give the analysis to the examination department. So see how to create the analysis. So see here, there are 62 students in my class. There are 62 students who are in my class. Out of 62, 58 were passed, 2 were clearly failed, and 2 have got the compartment. And how many students fall under the category of above and equals to 95? How many students fall under the category of 90 to 95? How many students fall under the category of 80 and 90? This I'll have to create. So just have a look, and how easy is this? Just see it. So I'm going to use two formulas, that is countif and countifs. Only two formulas. Using these two formulas, I'll be able to create the analysis of the result. So see here. So since where to use countif and where to use countifs. So if there is only one condition you have to give, then use only countif. And if you have multiple conditions, then use countifs. So in column number 5, I have to give or apply one condition only, and that is why I'll use countif only here. So dollar countif bracket parenthesis and the range. The range is here. The range is this, then comma, and inverted comma greater equals to 95. So how many students are falling under the category of above and equals to 95? This will give you, as soon as I press enter, it gives the result. This is 0, means there is no student falls under this category. So let's see in the next, but in the next cell the formula is changed. Instead of count if, I'm going to use countifs because there are multiple conditions. So over here, equal countifs, and again range. So range from here to this is the range. comma, condition, and it should be greater than 90, and again range is same. I'm going to take this range again. So I have taken the range, comma, less than 95. So this is a slab. Close parenthesis and press enter. So over here, again we see 0 under this category. So there is no student falls in this category. And this time I'm going to copy this formula in different cell also. But before copying this formula and pasting it, I'm going to make, or I'll have to convert this formula into absolute one. Why absolute one? Because if I copy this formula, like if I copy this formula from this cell to this cell, the cell addresses are changed. See here, here it was D and this time it is E, and it should not be there, and that is why I'll have to make, or this becomes mandatory to make this address absolute. So to make it absolute, put dollar before column and row number. This way. See here, this is now absolute. Same have to do here, again here, and press enter. Okay, now if you copy this formula from this cell to and paste it in another cell, this time address will not be changed. Only change required is to change the values. This time I want to change 90 to 95 with 82 or by 80 to 90. So this should be greater than equals to greater equals to 80. Be 90 and press enter. So there are only 6 students, and over here little mistake is there, greater than equals to. Now copy this formula and paste it in H column, Control V. Only change required is to change these values 70 and 80, 16. Again paste it for 60 and 70. So it should be 60 and it should be 70. So there are 24 students in this category, and in the next cell I'm going to copy the same formula and change this value 50 to greater equals to 50 and less than 60. So 12 students are there who fall under the category of 50 to 60, and in this cell again copy this formula and only I have to change this 33 and less than 50. So there are only 0 students, means no student. But one thing I am looking at, that 0 in the cell doesn't look nice, and that is why I'm going to do one thing here. It should be replaced with dash or hyphen. So what should I do? I'm going to change the number format. So this time I'm going to take number format, which is this number format. Means 0 will be replaced by hyphen. You see here, And if you align this data middle aligned, this is already middle aligned, so no issue. The data is already aligned, and 0 is replaced with hyphen, and your analysis is ready. So how is this analysis? I think very easy. Only using only two functions, I was able to create the analysis. So, and it took very less time to create this. So this way you can create the analysis for different data also, and apply this in your data sheet. And if you like this video, kindly share it with your friends. And if you have not subscribed my channel yet, kindly subscribe it so that you get uh, the notification of the new videos as and when they are uploaded. And press the bell icon also. Do not forget to press bell icon. So we'll meet in the next video. Till then, goodbye.